into composition of functions. Yeah. Here we have at times 2 functions, sometimes 3, even 4, given to you to compose. So let's see what happens here. On the board we have a question that says f of x is 3x plus 7, g of x is 2x squared plus 1, and h of x is equal to 10. Yeah. So what happens? Solution. Let's solve the first one. F of g of x. F of g of x. Very simple to compose. So we are going to replace what with what. See here, observe carefully. See here, f of x. Now I want to change this x and put here this same place now, g of x. Yeah, I want to get f of g of x. If f of x is this, f of g of x means change the x towards g of x. That will be 3. Change the x towards g of x plus 7. Done. I just changed the x in f of x towards g of x. So g of x was given to us as 2x squared plus 1. I will go ahead and insert my value for g of x, and that is 2x squared plus 1. Yeah. Then I'll continue. This g of x, then plus 7. If I simplify, I'll go ahead and distribute 3 into the brackets. That will be 6x squared plus 6, 3 plus 7, and this is 6x squared plus 10. Yeah, that's it. So if they give you now f of g of x of 3, in a case like this, your x here becomes 3. If your x becomes 3, what happens? I'll have 6 times 9 plus 10. Because 3 squared is what? 9. Yeah. So we have solved question I. Question I. Let's solve question II. Do have more space? Let's use here. For II, looking for g of f of x. Yeah. So we're looking for g of f of x. Yeah. Gof means g of f of x. So how do we compose this? We focus on the function. We focus on this function here. Yes, the function g. We'll go to g and change all the x towards f of x. Therefore, g of f of x will be 2 into f of x. We have changed s towards f of x. Then we'll square it plus 1. Now, f of x has a value given to us. What's that? 3x plus 1. So I'll go ahead and put in my value. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put in my value. If I put my value now, it becomes 2 into what's f of x? 3x plus 7. I will not square it. Plus 1. Yeah. Yeah. I hope you are following. To find g of f of x, g of x, it means g of f of x. Yeah. Which is go to g, change all the x to f of x. Go to g, change all the x towards f of x, which we have done. See it here. 2 s f of s squared plus 1 plus 1. Yeah. So f of x was defined to be this. Are you seeing it? F of x is this. So I am lifting the value of f of x and placing it right here. F of x is this. That's where I am. Someone. Are you not following? Yes. Alright. So let's go ahead. We have to go ahead and distribute. You can expand because sometimes it could be OBJ. Your answer will not be like this, but this thing here is your answer. But at times in the OBJ exam, they will expand this thing for you. So quickly, I will expand this for you and show you how else it could be in the option. So 2 into 3x plus 7 all squared plus 1. First of all, let's expand this somewhere. Let's do it somewhere. This will be 2 into 3x plus 7 into 3x plus 7. Anything squared is that thing times itself. Yeah. So let me just clean this a bit. So this will be let's expand first. 3x 2. Let's expand first. 3x times 3x, that's 9x squared. 3x times 7, that is 21x, plus 7 times 3x, that is 21x again, plus 7 times 7, that is 49, plus 1. Yeah. I hope you're following. Let's finish up quickly. We have 2 times 9, it was 18x squared. If I join this together, we'll have 42. Yeah. So 2 times 42x will give us what? 2 times 42 will give us 84x. Plus 2 times 49 is 98 plus 1. So if I simplify further, I think my answer is going to be 18x squared plus 84x plus 99 as the value for g of x, g of f of x. That's it. So you will try this one yourself and put your answer in the comment section. Yeah. So this one now, I'll help you to solve it. It's simple. H of x is 10. There's no x. There's no x, meaning that h of x is actually independent of x. H of x is a constant function. Because 10 is constant, there's no x, like it is independent of x. What happens? It means that h of anything is going to be 10. H of anything is going to be 10. So h of all these things will be 10. Yeah. Because h of x is independent of x. There's no x here. If you like, compute g of s, compute f of g of x. As we have done here, we've gotten f of g of x as this. So putting this thing inside h of x, there is no space to plug this thing inside. H of x will always be 10 as the answer, the constants. I hope you followed. Yeah, once more, I am Hoget Emmanuel from the Learn Extra team. Thank you for watching.